Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and opening new poll. Enter a clear title, location, and short description so participants know the purpose. Next, choose candidate dates and times, mix whole days with 0. 5-hour slots if needed. Once done, set basic preferences like single choice versus multiple choices and whether participants see each other's votes. Make sure to save frequently. This prevents losing options while you fine-tune availability and prevents confusion later. Now you configure the complex middle. Pick the poll type that fits, find a time for meetings or a custom poll for decisions, and enable time zone auto-detect so participants see correct times. Then, add a deadline and schedule reminder emails. This boosts responses. Once configured, choose whether participants can add options and see comments. Finally, integrate with Google or iCal calendars so accepted slots create events automatically, and copy the invitation link for sharing. To finish, close the poll when responses are sufficient and choose the winning time or option. Notify participants and confirm attendees. Once confirmed, send calendar invites and export results as CSV for records. If you need to change plans, reopen or duplicate the poll to create a new round quickly. If calendar sync or time zone mismatches occur, first refresh integrations and reauthorize accounts. If problems persist, reconnect the calendar app or contact support. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.